Today is bright and beautiful. I'm excited to share how to make this delicious recipe, pasta and meatballs. All what you need for this deliciousness are your tagliatelle pasta or any pasta of your choice, grounded beef, spices, salt, breadcrumbs, eggs, milk, parsley, spring onions, vegetable oil, tomato paste, blended tomatoes, pepper and onions together. Let's cook. Make a well in your ground beef. Add your egg and mix it gently. Add your breadcrumbs. Next, your chopped spring onions and parsley. Mix together all your spices. Add more breadcrumbs and milk just to get the right consistency for rolling the meatballs. Start boiling your water. Add salt. Once it starts to boil, add your pasta and allow it to cook. Back to the meatballs. Time to roll. Pat your hands with breadcrumbs, flour or vegetable oil and roll with your palm like this. So easy. Then heat up your pan, add a drizzle of vegetable oil, drop the meatballs one after the other and flip to pan fry the meatballs. Take out the meatballs and put it in the oven pan and into the oven for about 3 minutes while you make the tomato sauce. In the same pan, add more vegetable oil. Pour all your spices and seasoning, mix together, add your blended tomato, onions and pepper mix. Then you add your tomato paste. Mix and it's time to bring out the meatballs from the oven. It's looking good with a nice aroma. Add all the meatballs into the tomato sauce and mix together. All done. And it's time to serve the tagliatelle, pasta and meatballs. Two deliciousness combined. Garnish with parsley and enjoy. Try this recipe, share the joy and keep watching for delicious food bites. Thank you.